right, today I'm going to show you how to make Maruchan Yakisoba Teriyaki Chicken Flavor Ramen Noodles. Okay, right here, you see it's a chicken with the teriyaki right here. So this is the pack that it comes in right here. It says it takes 4 minutes, just add water and microwave. And I'm going to show you, I know how to cook these, but I'm going to show you in the back just so you know how to do it. It says right here, so you open the packet, pour in the seasoning, pour in the water, microwave, and then add seasoning number 2. All right, just like it says right here, remove the 2 packets marked 1 and 2. Open the packet 1 containing the dried garnishments and empty into the side space between the noodles and the container. Shake gently to settle. Pour water over noodles until it reaches the fill line indicated by the arrows. Close lid and cook on high for 4 minutes. All right, pretty cool, pretty cool. After cooking, leave and microwave for 1 minute. All right. So actually, you add both 1 and 2. Oh, wait a minute, it's not saying when to add 2. Oh yeah, hold on, 5. Grab the corners of the tray and carefully remove the microwave product because it's going to be very hot. Protection for your hands is recommended. Remove the lid and carefully pour in the contents of packet 2. Mix the powdered sauce until it is evenly dissolved throughout the noodles and enjoy. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And then I'm going to peel this back and remove packet 1 and 2. Okay, so this is 2, this is 1. I'm going to take this, and they say pour it on the side and then shake it so it evens out. And then pour water to the fill line. So I have my water right here, and the fill line is right there. So I'm going to pour this in. Got to the fill line. And then I'm going to close it and microwave it for 4 minutes. All right. After I let this cool for about a minute, after microwaving for 4 minutes, it's time to get started with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. It's kind of hot. I'm going to open it up like this. And then I'm going to take the flavoration packet, part 2, right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and add this into it. Sprinkle it around. And then I'm going to stir this like this. Stir it in, make sure it gets nice and mixed. All right, smelling so good right now. Absolute goodness. All right, so that's how you make yakisoba chicken teriyaki ramen noodles. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching. Absolute goodness, if you ask me.